In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install a microphone on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you go back with settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, select system. And then on the right side, you want to select the sound item. And then there should be an item underneath input where it says pair a new device, select add device. And then assuming you had a Bluetooth device, you would go ahead and connect it here. Just follow along the on-screen prompts. If it's a plug and play microphone, you can just plug it right in and it should detect it immediately on your computer. And you can also reach out to the manufacturer and see if they have any applicable drivers for your device. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.